As an analyst, if you want to use a programming language to work on a given dataset, don't think that your colleagues will be chasing you with a laptop and begging you to code. On the contrary, you will be expected to know what coding is about and set up a programming environment yourself. To be honest, if you already have some experience with programming and have set up a software you can use Python on, you might not need to go through the lectures from this section. However, a 5-minute refresher on the concept of programming wouldn't hurt. Besides, please consider that throughout the entire course, we will code in Jupyter. So, to ensure that you will cover all lectures smoothly, we do suggest you use the same tool to complete the program. To respond to this idea, we will explain what programming is about in the next lecture. In the several remaining ones, we will talk about Jupyter, install it, show you how to use it, and we'll share a couple of shortcuts as well. Then, we will discuss two very important techniques. The first one concerns what to do when you obtain an error message in the process of coding. The second one aims at clarifying how to start with a clean slate if at some point in your work you feel stuck. To summarize, the purpose of this section is to ensure that before you focus on coding in Python, you will be able to work independently in the relevant environment. In our case, this will be Jupyter. Have fun!